What's up, everybody? Once again, it's Ultra Gigamite. I'm here today to unbox a few parts that you probably might have seen some pictures of before, and I am going to unveil what specific parts they are. I'm not gonna unveil what vehicle they're going into, of course, but yeah, you'll see that in the coming videos. Yeah, I got 3 packages from Texas Speed Performance and 1 from AEM. And I guess I'll start off with the AEM one first, since, I don't know, that's just like how I like to do things. I like to do things in order, I guess. I don't know. So here it is, package number 1 from AEM. Let's see what's inside. Inside. Okay. And we have a gauge, performance gauges. Yeah. Okay, so this box just has a bunch of pictures of all the gauges, because I know this should only be an air fuel ratio gauge. We got our X Series inline wideband controller. Yeah, I'm gonna monitor both banks in my vehicle. Hopefully that winds up giving me more accurate readings, or I guess just easier ways to monitor. So up next we got our Texas Speed Performance segment. Kind of heavy. Oh, a Texas Speed Performance keychain. Probably got like 3 of these then. That's nice though. Nice little touch. Got a card. Follow them. Some more stickers. Give me 2 stickers in this one box. Damn. Valve train components are busting out of the box. Can't even contain the power that will be produced by these. So yeah, these are rocker arms, lifters. No, it's just lifters, I guess. Yeah. Push rods? Wait, no. Yeah, I didn't know there were all those in one. Yeah, these are just the rocker arms. Rocker arms and some, what's these, screws and bolts. Yeah, it's a lot of rocker arms in here. My goodness, you can feel the quality. So by the number of these, you can probably guess how big the engine is in this thing. Yeah, some pretty high quality stuff though. See, maybe I can get this to close. Valve train components. Nah, it's not working. All right. I actually did pretty much order all of this stuff, so let's move on to the next one. Next package from TSP. Oh shit. Bolts and studs. I got studs too, damn. Thought it was all gonna be just bolts. Whatever. Studs are nice. Studs are nicer, in fact. I don't think I'm gonna open that up. Got one big ass bolt. No, this is for the what? The pulley? I don't even know. Figure that out later. What is this? Oh, my Johnson lifters. Johnson lifters. Ooh, some different stickers in here. Alright. We got another keychain too. We got gaskets. Now I got head gaskets. Don't think. Yeah, these are the head gaskets. Head gaskets. We got 1, 2, 3, 4 most likely. Gaskets, more gaskets, and that's it. Let's take a look at these Johnson lifters. All right. Ooh. I'll just pull one of them out. Yeah, damn. This is some heavy duty shit. Yeah, I got these for race. These are for racing applications, which you never know, I might do that. Better to be over prepared than under prepared. And I just don't want shit breaking on me. Made in the USA. Yeah, now that I've opened everything else, I know what's last, but certainly not least. We got our valve spring kit. Well, that's a dead giveaway. Receipts, retainers, valve stem guides, and we got our double springs. Whew. Man. That spring coefficient though, this is gonna be fun. There we go. There. We got Hamelin Performance Oil Pump. This is a high volume oil pump. Sorry, go ahead and go. Is it high volume or high yeah, high volume or high flow? Got some Melling stickers in here. I wonder how many of these one of my friends is gonna want. He's a sticker collector. Whew. Yeah. No, it's high volume or high pressure, I think. All I know is I got the high volume one. All right. And wait, there's more. timing chain. Rollmaster. Oh shit, it's not made in the US. I gotta send it back. Oh, no, oh, these are push rods. Push rods that I am probably going to have to send back once we measure the exact length that we need, and we can order the right sized ones. But hey, who knows, we might get lucky and these ones work. Set of push rods. A fucking hat. Oh snap, I didn't remember putting this in there. Oh my goodness, it's beat the fuck up though. Oh well. Hopefully I can make it regain its shape. A nice little TSP hat. And finally, our camshaft. Whew. Man, this thing is heavy. This thing is heavy. I didn't take it out yet. Why not? It's going in soon anyways. Might as well take it out. And here we have it. Bald Eagle. The Bald Eagle cam. Alright. This concludes the unboxing. So please forgive the messy ass room. I got a lot I'm trying to do right now, and it's all for you. It's all for you. So you can look past all that, you can get into all this stuff here. So I decided to try on my TSP hat. This thing is pretty tight. I wonder if they could send me another size. So TSP, if you're watching, I could use a larger size. I got a larger size. I got a big ass head, so yeah. They're not watching. They're not watching. I know they're not watching. But yeah, so all this stuff right here, plus some other stuff that's still in the box, is going to be put into my vehicle. I know I'm being real vague right now, but probably based off of this camshaft for one, and some of the labels you might have seen on some of these boxes, you can at least guess what engine is going into or what kind of engine is going into. So for the people that are fans of that spec and all that, there's gonna be a lot in store for you. Man, this thing must be a one size fits most. Whew. I feel like I'm losing blood. Blood isn't going to my fucking head. This is the very beginning of my performance upgrades for this vehicle, and basically I'm setting it up for power for boost. This cam is specifically for boost. These springs and lifters and rocker arms are meant to handle power. And of course, right now we just got the AFR gauges and sensors, or gauge and sensors, to be able to hopefully tune this thing a little better. And wasn't planning on it, but wound up getting some studs. Not necessarily sure we'll be able to use them in the head, but yeah, we got some studs. I almost forgot to mention that this is the Cletus McFarland boost cam, the Bald Eagle boost cam, and he's a YouTuber. You may have heard of him. He's kind of popular enough to have a damn cam named after him. He's got like 1 million subscribers, you know, so it's whatever. But no, he does some cool stuff, and yeah, Texas Speed felt like I guess he had a big enough admiration for the types of products that they produce that they named this cam after him. So yeah, and now I'm gonna rock it. There's that. Yeah. Thanks for watching. If you want to see what's up next, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel, and I'll be putting more videos out in the future. Peace.